My name is Brad Hall, and I've got a really big one on tap for you today. I have with me the just released Yeezy 350 Lundmark. I want to talk about that shoe for you in great detail. I'm going to show you how this shoe might look on your feet, and then after that, we're going to be taking a look, a deep dive, and seeing if this shoe really is just a dirty static 350. So that's all ahead. I was in the same boat as most of you. When I first saw photos of this shoe, I thought it kind of looks like this, not too different, maybe an aged version. But having this one in hand, everything comes together nicely. I do love that light gum sole on it. And then you've got this creamy midsole. Then you've got a creamy upper. And then look at this stripe. It's almost as if someone dipped this stripe in a cup of coffee, let it sit out overnight, and then the next day in the sun so that it baked and it got a really nice color to it. And then I have to point out, there is no pull tab on the back of this one. So if you like using that pull tab to get your shoe on, you're gonna have to find another way on this one. For me, I would hold this. Does a lot of the same kind of function that this does. Something that I've touched on already, people were saying this shoe looks like a well-worn, aged, dirty version of this shoe. As you can see in these side-by-side shots, there is definitely an aged quality to the Lundmark, but I do think it's unfair to say that this shoe is a dirty version of this shoe. I wish that if I made a shoe dirty just by wearing it, it would look as good as this one does. Normally when I wear something, the dirt, it just gets kind of randomly on the shoe. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. I mocked up what the static would look like with a lot of wear on it actually. The dirtiness is not uniform whatsoever. So in conclusion, the Lundmark, it is its own colorway. There is just no way you could wear this shoe out and about in the world and get it to look anything like this. Not at all. So that is my show for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for another one.